What if I told you that there's a really good reason why the factors of a polynomial are usually the factors of the last term over the factors of the coefficient of the first term? And here's the reason why. Let's take an example. 2x to the power 4 minus 5x cubed minus 8x squared plus 17x minus 6. Now you want it to equal to 0 to get you the factors. Now what you do is actually just bring over that minus 6 to the other side, giving you positive 6 on the right side of the equal sign. Once you do that, what you can do is factor out the x on the left side because you have x on all these terms. And then when you factor out the x, you see that x times this expression is equal to 6. That must mean that the x value that gives you 0 must be a factor of 6. X times something is equal to 6, so x must be a factor of 6. So then how about the denominator of the possible factors? Why is it the coefficient of the first term? Well, it gets a little complicated, but here's how it goes. So let's go back to our original expression, 2x to the power 4 minus 5x cubed minus 8x squared plus 17x minus 6. And let's just divide everything by x to the power 4. If you do that, we have 2 minus 5 over x minus 8 over x squared plus 17 over x cubed minus 6 over x to the 4. Now, because everything has x in the denominator except 2, we're going to bring 2 over to the other side, giving us negative 2 on the right side of the equal sign. And then what we can do is, you notice that everything has an x in the denominator, so we can factor out a 1 over x from each of these terms, giving us 1 over x, bracket, 5 plus 8 over x plus 17 over x squared minus 6 over x cubed is equal to 2. I just changed all the signs beforehand. Now, we can bring that 1 over x to the other side, giving us x on the right side of the equal sign, and then we can bring out the 2 to the left side, giving us this expression, 5 plus 8 over x plus 17 over x squared minus 6 over x cubed, all over 2. That means that x, if a fraction, must be divisible by 2 because you have divided by 2 if we assume that x is a whole number or integer. So that's why we use the first coefficient as our denominator in our possible factor that gives us 0. If you have a better way to explain why this works for factoring polynomials, please leave it in the comments below. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.